Hi, it's Gail Sibley, and I am at the IAPS Convention in Albuquerque, and I'm with Jay-Z. Jay-Z, can you give a few hints on how to keep your painting looser?
Okay, so first of all, you have to have an idea or emotion before you paint. You wait until the emotion almost reach a point like exploded or boring. That's the time you go, and then go fast. And then number two, technically, if you paint, you don't want to paint, let's say for example, you paint trees, you don't think it's a tree. You take the whole thing as a several energy. Okay, it's dark energy, little cool, warm, and then just go paint like that and paint quick. That's how you do. And the middle stage, and then you do some little bit of drawing to correct some shape. But if you stay with like this, it turns out always loose and fresh.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.